celebration who took a great part of this joyous affair. For without their support, this event would not be made possible. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to introduce to you the parents of the bride, Aurelia Benigta and her partner, Ready Benigta. Palakpakan tayo man dagi tayo parents ta. Okay, may request na kita apag kasang di tadapay lang. Ang apo di tadapay lang. Di tadapay laeng. And of course, the parents of the group we have Mr. Edwin Solmerin and Mrs. Angelita Solmerin. Let us give them a big round of applause. Once again, a very good afternoon to everyone. And welcome to Mark Lawrence and Angel Lance reception. We are done with the solemn part of the celebration at Iglesia Filipina Independiente, and we thank those people who were with us earlier.